Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that you are unable to install the update to the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just going to the settings of the iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So when you just going to general section and just going to soft update and just when you try to update the latest iOS version, they cannot update and you getting the error while updating the latest iOS version. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? Just follow all these steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. First step is that you just connect with your Wi-Fi. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So after that, just go to general section and just scroll down and see the option of a transfer reset icon. Just tap on that and just have a reset and reset network settings from here. After that, just go back and just go to the storage, iPhone storage, and have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So make sure that you just have enough storage. So that's why if you don't have enough storage, so that's why they're getting the error. They cannot update the latest iOS version. So that's why you getting the issue. So make sure that after the follow all the steps, you just restart your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button, and just restart your iPhone and again on it. After on, just connect with your Wi-Fi and update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after that, your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.